Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the problem when EAFC26 cannot connect to the EA servers. First, close EAFC26 completely. Also make sure the EA app or Steam is not running in the background. Once everything is closed, press the Windows key on your keyboard, type CMD and right-click on Command Prompt. Choose Run as Administrator. You need administrator rights for the commands to work correctly. Inside the black Command Prompt window, type the following command: ipconfig/release and press enter. This will release your current IP address. After that, type ipconfig/renew and press enter. This will request a new IP address from your router. Once that is done, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press enter. This clears the DNS cache and helps solve connection issues. Now we will reset a few network settings. Type netsh winsock reset and press enter. After that, type netsh intip reset and press enter again. Once you have entered these, restart your computer. After restarting, open EAFC26 and check if the connection is working. If the issue is still there, we can try one more method. Go back into the command prompt. This time type ping easports.com and press enter. If you see replies with a time in milliseconds, your computer can reach the EA servers. If it says request timed out, the issue may be with your internet provider. Thanks for watching.